First, plan out your content strategy. You most likely definitely realize it's insufficient to post a couple of photos or videos and trust that the crowd will come surging in. Rather, you need to manufacture a substance methodology simply like you would for some other marketing campaign. Here are a few specific guidelines for Instagram. Research the best posts in your industry and track your competitors. 2. Use branded hashtags. As a brand on social, you need some form of marketability. It's a thin line between being promotional and resourceful. To avoid being overly promotional but still market your brand, consider branded Instagram hashtags. An important stat to know is 7 out of 10 hashtags on Instagram are branded. 3. Use some of the best growth tool. Shortcut to fast growth. As someone that is running an online business and trying to grow on Instagram, you will need someone to manage your account. This tool will not only manage your account, but it will also help you grow your audience on Instagram and get more real organic followers. Less work, more growth. You can check my #1 recommended growth tool for Instagram by clicking the link in the description. What will this tool do for you? It will get you more real followers. How? Your account picks up real organic followers that like and engage with your content. Smart targeting. Your account manager engages with posts that bring in the best results. Engagement boost. This tool will help you grow with other relevant Instagrammers, getting you more natural engagement over time. And much, much more. 4. Instagram captions. Instagram captions are essential for a successful account. They give your audience everything from context for your products and services to essential calls to action to drive conversion forward. For example, Bucket Feet, a shoe manufacturer, uses Instagram captions to highlight collaborations on new or limited designs. 5. Connect with influencers. As we previously mentioned, many brands incorporate user-generated content to connect with users, collaborate on content, and promote one another's Instagram. But these people don't need 1 million users or have to be a celebrity to help you gain more exposure. It's smart to nurture and value your connections because just like your audience, influencers deal with robotic messages all the time. Try to build real relationships by meeting up at industry events or asking to host joint webinars. And of course, you can get started in seconds. Don't forget to try Upleap for 300% faster growth on Instagram. Link in the description.